Hi everyone, welcome to a new free earning platform video. So, let's start. Today, we are going to withdraw 15,000 PEPE coins from Earn-Pepe to a FaucetPay wallet. First of all, refresh the main page. Then click on the three dots in the upper left corner and select the withdraw option. Next, select the token, which means choosing the coin you want to withdraw. After that, select PEPE-Coin from the list. Now carefully check the wallet option. Select FaucetPay and paste your FaucetPay email address into the withdrawal address box. Then enter the withdrawal amount and click on Max so the amount fills automatically. After this, complete the CAPTCHA verification. Now we are going to check the current FaucetPay balance before the transfer. As you can see, our balance before withdrawal is 29,554 PEPE coins, and there are no recent transactions. Now go back to the Earn-Pepe page. Finally, click on Confirm Withdrawal. You can see the green success message, which means the withdrawal has been approved and sent to FaucetPay within a few seconds. Now let's check FaucetPay again. Refresh the page to see the updated balance. Nice! You can see our new balance is 51 cents. The newly transferred amount is 5 cents. Old balance was 46 cents, plus 5 cents equals 51 cents. And then our new balance is 45,000 PEPE coin. Now check the latest transaction history. You can see that 15,000 PEPE coins were received within seconds. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.